Hello everyone, today I'm going to open and build this latest LEGO Icons, the Lord of the Rings gift with purchase, the Smeagol and Deagle. So this is a gift with purchase coming with the purchase of the Shire, which you might have already noticed that I've been building it. So without further ado, let's open it up and start building. And here we are, I have finished building this Smeagol and Deagle gift with purchase. It's a very cool looking gift with purchase, which depicting one of the scenes from the movie where they were fishing and discovering the ring. I like the fact that they have two layers, so you can create the actual diving into the water, and this is how it looks at 360 degrees. So there's actually plenty of space to add other stuff rather than just the scene here. But the coolest thing is actually the minifigure. But first, we take a closer look at the scene first. Funny enough, I don't know which one is Smeagol and which one is Deagle, but anyway, I have removed, I think, the Smeagol off the boat. You can see the boat can actually rotate, which is pretty cool. I like the fact that they use this common technique to create a water body with the transparent pieces. There's some nice plantation around, some nice detail around this area as well. You've got this key piece to simulate the fishing rod having here. And underneath you got something for Deagle to hold on to so that you can create the scene he's swimming underwater. Of course, you've got the ring here. They do give you two extra in the set, so it's never the more precious one ring anymore. And you've got the fish here. And then this is how it looks in a closer view. The tree is simple but yet nicely done. And it's time to take a look at the two minifigures. So Smeagol, which is I think when before he become Gollum, and then Dago here, which gonna be the unfortunate person getting killed after the ring is discovered. So you might have read some other review. The torso are actually reused from the other set. What is the coolest and exclusive parts of the set are the two minifigure heads, especially Smeagol. I really like this sinister looking facial expression. So this is exclusive to this set, and also you got this much more lighter tone facial expression for Dago. So these are two excellent minifigures. If you're a fan of the Lord of the Ring, it's definitely a must-have. But even you're not a fan of the properties, these are still two very cool minifigures to have. And this is the Smeagol and Dago gift with purchase from LEGO Icons Lord of the Rings. So it's a actually pretty cool gift with purchase. I did enjoy the build. I like how it looks, and it's cool to get two exclusive minifigures. I know there are lots of comments. It's like, oh, you need to buy the Shire, but you know, we all know it's going to be expensive. But as a gift with purchase, it's pretty great. And apart from the minifigure, I just find the whole, different layer to be very cool. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.